almost a year na preparation namin dito ni Engineer Jigs at saka ni Will. Finally, ito na yung unang project ng AAA at ni Engineer Jigs.
Sana marami pa tayong deals na magawa, mga properties na ma-close yan. So, sana maging successful yung mga businesses pa natin, saka yung mga gagawin pa natin.
Thank you po sa pag-attend, thank you sa support, and hopefully hindi ito lang yung maging project natin and magtuloy-tuloy siya in the future. Maging prosperous yung, especially yung AAA. Okay, so thank you sa tiwala, Arian and Will.
Remember that God will give your company good cash flow. Okay, so it means that your income will be greater than expenses. He will cause your company to be known, to excel, and talagang to prosper. Na kahit na maraming kakompetensya, God will help you to be one of the leading na companies or build and sell business. Let us always be reminded na when God blesses us, we should also honor God with the blessings that we receive from our business.
Will and Arian, good luck sa company. Wish ko na lumawig pa yung company ninyo, maging successful in the future.
Congratulations, Arian, into AAA Properties. Sabi nga sa Bible, all good gifts, all blessings comes from God. I pray na God will continue to bless your endeavors, your business, and we are happy for you.
Congrats Arian and Will sa new business nyo. I'm so proud and happy for you. You've been a blessing to me and to a lot of people. Sobrang happy ako na nakilala ko kayo kasi sobrang nakita ko yung blessing ni God, yung faithfulness ni God sa life nyo, and kung paano nyo rin siya sineshare with others.
To Arian and Will and to the entire team of AAA Property Services, congratulations for achieving another goal. At sa panibagong baby ni AAA Property Services, congratulations and more blessings pa na matanggap ng team at sa pamumuno ni Arian and Will.
Congratulations AAA for the success, another project, and more investors to come.
Hi Arian, congratulations sa iyong bagong business venture. I hope and I pray na maging successful itong bago mong pagkakaabalahan na business, and sana mas marami pang clients at opportunities na dumating sa inyo ng inyong grupo. Congratulations!
Congratulations all the way from Santa Maria, Bulacan. Di kami makapunta pero we're so very proud of you, lahat ng achievements mo, and very thankful and grateful for all the opportunities na sinishare mo sa amin. And we look forward sa mga years pa na magkaka-business tayo, and God, for surely God will bless you more and more and more and more.
Congratulations AAA! More build to come!